Video, I'm going to go over this little BLAVOR power bank here, everybody. Now this one has a fold out solar panel, so this has a more powerful kind of solar panel, more than the regular ones that just have a panel right here. I think you can get well up to 1.2 amps of solar charging input, and I love how nice and compact it is, and it looks like a premium top leather on the top. Just snaps into place like that. You just flop it out, and you would hang this on the backpack, so that way it would hang down while you're walking or hiking or something. You'll get a full charge on that, or like if you've on a kayak, you can lay it out on your kayak and it'll charge while you're paddling around. And it also has a LED light, like a flashlight there, and a big nice camp light right here. You get two USB-A inputs, a USB-C input right there, so you can charge up to several items at one time. So let's go ahead, let's charge my phone. Let's test this out. And we'll charge one of these little mosquito machines, and then we'll use the USB-C right there. So right here, charging the phone, no problem on that. Charging the little mosquito machine. These are the Thermacell mosquito machine. If you don't have one of these, I recommend picking up one of these guys. You'll definitely take care of some mosquitoes. Oh, it's charging that one no problem at all too. And then charging this little pick. This one was more like a citronella. I like the smell of this one right here. Charging that. 3 different charging items at one time, and it's pulling them all. I see no issues with this thing at all. I'm already 100% on that. So, and then you have a little compass right here. I don't know how much you'd use that compass. Maybe if you needed to find your way to a toilet or something. And then you got that carabiner clip to lock it on there. It's got these bumper guards on the side, so it's pretty much indestructible, and it's slightly waterproof. I wouldn't submerge it down inside water, but I don't see any problems with it being inside and like splash proof or anything like that. Hold the button down, you get the front LED with a flash on it like that, and then double tap it. Bam, look at that big camp light right there, everybody. I really like that. So if we're doing something, we just need a nice camp light, that is actually a really handy feature, and it's got a high, a low, and medium, and there you go. It does have an indicator light to show you how much power you got in there. I've had several products from this BLAVOR company, and I've always been very impressed with them. Everything they've offered has been very premium and top quality, and I still use it today. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the BLAVOR Solar Power Bank. See you all in the next video.